Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about the best fragrance gift you can give to someone this Christmas. As you may know, Christmas is around the corner. At the time of recording this video, it's like a week away. So I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys to maybe you want to give someone a gift of having a fragrance, or you are looking for a perfect Christmas present for yourself and you're wondering which fragrance is best for you. So don't worry, I got you guys a quick video today. So first fragrance is Stronger With You Intensely. So this is talked about a lot recently, and it's the perfect time to talk about it also because it's the winter right now, and this is a perfect winter fragrance. It has notes of vanilla, toffee, and other spices, which make this fragrance edible and sweet. Hence the name Stronger With You Intensely. It is very intensely sweet. So try this fragrance out. This is the perfect winter fragrance in my opinion, and this is for someone who likes very edible and sweet fragrances because this is very sweet. Next, you want something fresh and citrusy and with a little bit character, but you don't want to spend too much money on it because there's a lot of niche fragrances that are very good quality and you just wish that the price would be more affordable. One of those fragrances is Creed Aventus. You don't need to pay $500 or more for a Creed Aventus bottle when you have Club de Nuit Intense Matte. This fragrance is, I would say, 90% similar to the Creed Aventus fragrance, and for its price, you can't go wrong with it. This fragrance though, its opening is very harsh, so it's very chemical. It's not the best opening because I don't know what they use in these fragrances, in these cologne fragrances, because the opening is not right. But as the fragrance dries down, then you get the real fragrance experience. So this is a 9 out of 10 cologne if you want something fresh, if you want something a little bit fruity, not too much, but it has ambergris, it has citruses, and it's just fresh overall for all year, all seasons. You can't go wrong with Club de Nuit Intense Matte. You're looking for a date fragrance now. Look no further. You have Le Mal de Parfum. This is vanilla, cardamom, lavender, spices. This is everything you need in a fragrance. This has a fresh feel, a sweet undertone. Yeah, so the cardamom, the lavender, and you have a hint of sweetness from that vanilla, and it's just dark, a little bit mysterious, but a little bit refreshing with that lavender and the sweetness of the vanilla. So this is a perfect Christmas gift, seriously, especially now. Stronger With You Intensely and this one are very popular at the moment right now, and I'm sure if you go to a fragrance store, they're always going to recommend these two. And yeah, so this one is sweet and edible and loud also. I didn't talk about its performance, but it lasts long and it has a lot of performance, a lot of projection also. And this one is more reserved, so it won't have as much projection as Stronger With You Intensely, but this is very good juice. This is sweet and this is just very beautiful, guys. You have to try it out. And you want something fancy, you want something not, how do I say this? Maybe everyone has it. Of course, no one has the same fragrance, but you want to stand out, but with a high price. Then you check out Parfum de Bali Layton because this is beautiful. The spices and the apple and the vanilla. Yeah, guys, you want to smell unusual, but not unpleasant, because you have unusual, and because it's unusual, people are not gonna like it. But this is unusual. You don't smell it. You don't smell it every day, but when you smell it, when you get a whiff of it, you're just mesmerized by the smell of it. And by the way, guys, I'm a little bit sick, as you can hear from my voice and everything, but guys, I'm fine. Yeah, the smell is fantastic. This is pricey though. I don't know the prices because it depends on the regions and whatever, but this is around $400, $500 for a 125 ml bottle. So it is pricey. You can get at discounters though. But I say this, guys, it's worth the price. Really good juice. It's gonna get you compliments. It has good performance. If you can get the older batches, guys, get it, because the newer batches the performance isn't the best, but yeah, this is very good, guys. So this is spices, apple, vanilla, but definitely spices and vanilla, because you really get a spicy gourmand type of apple pie. This because it has apple, and because of the spices, the darkness, but it's smooth and sweet. So guys, this is a very, literally, if I was the one receiving this gift, I would be like, thank you so much, because this is fantastic. And even if the person doesn't like it, at this point you can't say I don't like it, because it's a niche fragrance and it's Parfum de Bali Layton, everyone loves it. So yeah, I have other fragrance suggestions for someone you want to give a gift or you want to buy for yourself. You have what I was talking about Creed Aventus earlier with Club de Nuit Intense Matte. If you don't want this, if you tried it out and you didn't like it, or you just don't want to blind buy because you can't really get a sample from this because you always have to buy it online, you can buy Mont Blanc Explorer. Mont Blanc Explorer is not a total Creed Aventus cologne, but it is Creed Aventus by Mont Blanc. So they added their own twist, and they changed a little bit the DNA of Creed Aventus and made it their own way. It smells woody, citrusy, and yeah, those are the two main things, but in such a unique way. Guys, there's Mont Blanc Explorer in every fragrance store. You go try it out if you like Creed Aventus, if you like fresh fragrances. So yeah, you have a Mont Blanc Explorer. After that, YSL Y EDP is also a great fragrance gift because it's all year round, all season. You can go wrong with it. It's fresh, versatile. It has a unique apple note, which makes the opening sweet and fresh. And as it dries down, it goes to the spices and the other notes, but the opening is very unique. Also, you have Bleu de Chanel. Bleu de Chanel is a classic. You can go wrong with it. It's intemporal. It's a classic that will stay forever because of the incense, and the incense note, some may not like it because the incense is a smoky note. So you get a smoky feel. When Bleu de Chanel dries down, you're gonna have a smoky note, and that smoky note comes from the incense. And Bleu de Chanel, just the opening is fresh, citrusy, and bright. Then it dries down to a more woody and smoky incense. It just perfectly blended. Guys, if I got, surprisingly, I don't have Bleu de Chanel in my collection yet, so maybe I'll get it very soon. But if I was to receive it, I will be very honored because it's a very good fragrance that I didn't get yet. Yeah, guys, so to top it off, you want something sweet and edible, stronger with you intensely. You want something fresh and very good. You have Club de Nuit Intense Man or Mont Blanc Explorer, or if you have the money for it, buy Creed Aventus. If you want something dark, mysterious, with character, but also with a soft touch of sweetness, you have Le Mal Le Parfum by Jean-Paul Gaultier. This is a very good fragrance. This is for date night, but you can also use it during fall, winter, during the night, like a night out. It doesn't have to be a date night fragrance. It's just easy to tag this as, oh, date night fragrance. But of course, guys, fragrance has much more capacities and much more versatility than just being perfect for one thing. And if you want to feel fancy, if you have the money, you're gonna make someone, like they say, money can buy happiness, but I'm sure Parfum de Marie Layton will, because I will be pretty much happy if I receive this as a Christmas gift. So yeah, if you're a mom watching this video and you want like to really surprise your kid, buy him this if he doesn't already have it. If you're a dad, also your son will be very proud and happy. And if you're a fantastic friend and you want to buy your friends a very good perfume, then treat you guys right. This. So yeah, also the others that I don't have that I say YSL, YEDP, because it's all season, all year long. Bleu de Chanel. Also, the concentration I would suggest is Eau de Parfum, but Eau de Toilette also is very good. It's the most fresh out of the three, and Eau de Parfum is the most balanced out of the three. And the Parfum is the most woody, more character of the three. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you have a Merry Christmas. You're gonna spend a good time with your family, eating, unboxing your gifts and everything. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.